We're going into the innovation lab, but we're not allowed to take any pictures. This is a hob. You can cook things on this.
Because you need to put the pan on top to get this hot.
Oh, so you need the contact.
I'm not lying because I'm not a professional about it. I can explain because I know that. The Gaggenau system is the one that integrated the top with the kitchen system. So we avoid all the stoves and everything. So you can see here on the surface that you got the limits that it can be around there. So this is function as a normal kitchen, but it's with induction. So now is a white, you can see here the black, that means off. This one is on, but it's not getting any heat because you need to put the magnet attached to the pan, and then you can have to put the pan on top. At that point is when you're gonna get the induction come out, and you're gonna get the pan on.